your girl Imani here, back for another video. So today I am trying out a new combo for my wash and go. I have seen it on a few other YouTubers channels and I'm just really happy that I have both of the products that I can give a try. So I'm going to be using this combo today, the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Cream, along with the Alike, I don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest. I need to like watch somebody's videos to see. But I'm gonna say Alike. The Alike's Naturals Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. So yes, I'm using this combo today. As you guys know, I love the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Cream. You honestly don't need much on top of it. Like, it just leaves your curls super bomb. And then I got this from the Hue Beauty and Natural Hair Fair a few weeks ago. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm actually using a different leave-in conditioner. You guys know I am in love with the Camille Rose, but I actually don't have enough. So I am going to be using the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter leave-in or rinse out conditioner. And I also got that from the Hue Beauty and Natural Hair Fair. This was in my swag bag, so I got it for free, guys. So I washed my hair today. It was wash day and I used my TGIN products as normal. I used the conditioner to pre-poo, the shampoo, and then the honey, what is it called? The hair mask, the deep conditioner for that. And everything is linked down below in my Amazon store, so check that out when you get a chance. And I'm plastic bagging it today. You know your girl not that bougie. Alright, I'm gonna try to like do it section by section with my plastic bag still on my head to just try to keep that moisture in so it can be as wet as possible. Alright, so let's just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Shea Moisture. That leave-in smells good. I'm about to say, it smells like cocoa butter. Forgot it is cocoa butter. My favorite detangling brush, also in my Amazon store. I'm gonna spray this just a little bit. Gonna go in with the Curly Curl Cream. About this much. I love the way this cream works into my hair. I really do. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and top this off. I can't open it. Top it off with the lemongrass holding gel. Oh wow, look at that. Y'all see that? I think I showed y'all that consistency in the last video, but wow. That ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab as much here. Oh, I grabbed way more than I wanted to, but ew, it feels very funny. Like snot or something. Let's see how it works. Ooh, that just like melted into my hair. Yes, okay. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, heard you. What? I ain't never had nothing like that before. What is this? Alright, I'm gonna do like that little, not really shingling because I'm too lazy for that, but it's just too much. I'm gonna just do like a clump shingle. That don't make no sense. Let me stick to what I know. Wow, okay. Who knew? Okay, all right. I'm not naked, by the way, guys. I have like a little bralette thingy on. It's just because my hair was soaking wet and I didn't want to put my shirt on yet, so. Impressed, guys. I'm like really shook. Wow. Let me keep going. Wow. good smelling stuff, and this stuff smells so good. Oh, like it doesn't smell, like the crazy thing is it don't smell, like I don't really smell it in the jar, but when it's in your hair, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. done, and this is like the bombest wash and go that I have ever had so far. I mean, granted, it's still wet, and y'all know how my hair like to do and change up on me later on in the day, but we'll see. I really like it so far. I'm gonna just be out and about all day, so I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna sit under my dryer as per usual, and I will be back to you guys at the end of the day to show you guys what the results really look like. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right guys, so it is the very next day. I was gonna come back to you guys last night, but it still wasn't all the way dry, so it's finally all the way dry, and I gotta say that I really love this combo. Like, oh my gosh, look at the curls, look at the definition, you guys. And it's not like it's the shrinkage is real as per usual. That's gonna happen, and it's okay. It's okay. We are embracing shrinkage. But I am loving it, you guys. I don't have a lot of frizz. I do have like a tiny bit of frizz in places that I think I was just playing with my hair too much while it was still wet. So I have a little bit of frizz, but that is okay. So you guys, this combo right here, this combo is like, this is the combo that I'm going to be using. This is my go-to, and I'm loving this. I gotta learn how to pronounce this. Alike. Please, somebody in the comment section below, like, try to sound it out. You know, like, how do you do that, Imani, in the comment section? But y'all know what I'm trying to say. But please, like, cause I want to know the exact way to pronounce this stuff. This stuff is amazing, you guys. Like, I really love it. As you guys see, I don't have any residue here. I do have a little bit of flakage, you know, as I'm pulling my curls. I'm getting just a little bit of snow coming down, but it's not that bad, and you don't see it at all on my actual hair, so I could live with it. I think I found my killer combo. I think I found my killer combo. Let me know if you have tried this before. How did you like it? I'm going to, if they have it on Amazon, I'm going to put it in my Amazon store, which is linked below. Make sure you guys check it out if you want to give it a try. Trust me, you do. But other than that, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you guys for the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see the next video, you know. Hit that notification so you're notified when the next video comes out. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.